Speaking, welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo with a scheduled arrival time of 10:58. Safety information displayed on approaches. Please keep personal items with you at all times. If you see or hear anything suspicious or anyone acting suspiciously, please tell myself or any other member of railway staff. We will be walking the train during this journey, so please ask if you need any assistance. I'm currently located in coach number 2. Main coach train, or alternatively, it's finding on the platform each and every stop. Once again, the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Our next stop is West Byfleet.
And customers without a valid ticket may be issued with a minimum penalty fare of £100 or face prosecution. Thank you for your understanding. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Surbiton.
lights off for recording. Yeah. Hold on. I need to feed in my stomach minor. What experience it? Tips in it, yeah. I know. I had one recording it a few weeks ago and I was proper like...
Apologies for today, we are currently on a red signal, we should be on move short. Next stop on the service is Surbiton. Once again, I'd like to apologise for any inconvenience with yours. But we are being told this red signal is due to a fault on the train at Surbiton. Once again, I'd like to apologise for any inconvenience this week. There is a train on the platform at Surbiton with a fault. Once that fault has been corrected and moved out of the way, the train has been moved out of the way, then continue our journey. But for now, we are behind the broken down train at Surbiton. Once again, I'd like to apologise for any inconvenience being booked.